हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, मी नितीन वारखडे, श्री साईनाथ महाराज विद्यालय. In last lecture, we take different types of sets. Now we start new topic, Venn diagrams. Now what is Venn diagrams? British logician John Venn was the first to use closed figures to represent sets. Such diagrams are called Venn diagrams. Means we have to use closed figure to represent given set. For example, A 2 4 6 8 10. We take one closed figure. We call this is set A and we write all the elements in that set. We can use triangle, circle, square, rectangle, any closed figure. Okay, this is Venn diagrams. Now next topic is subset. If A and B are two given sets and every element of set B is also an element of set A, then B is subset of A. Means if we take any two sets, suppose we take A and B, these two sets, then in B the elements are 2 4 6. All these elements are subset of this A, means all elements of B are in set A. Therefore we say B is subset of A and it is denoted by this symbol subset. Now there are some properties of subset of set. First property, every set is subset of itself, means A is subset of A. Empty set is subset of every set. This is symbol of empty set, it is subset of A. Third property, we say if A equals to B, means if A and B are equal set, then A is subset of B and B is also subset of A. Fourth property, if A is subset of B and B is subset of A, then A and B are called equal sets. Okay, this is subset. Now next topic is universal set. Suppose we take one example, we take set A, elements are 1 to 8, B set 2 4 6 8, C set 1 3 5 7, D set 2 3 5. Now in this example, all elements of B lies in set A, so B is subset of A. All elements of C lies in set A, so C is subset of A. All elements of D also lies in set A, so D is subset of A. Means all sets B, C and D are subset of A. Therefore set A is called universal set in terms of this set B, C and D, and universal set is denoted by capital letter U. Means it is largest set in terms of all other set. Now next is complement of a set. What is meant by complement? Suppose U is an universal set. If B is subset of U, means B is subset of universal set, then set of all elements in U which are not in set B is called the complement of B, and it is denoted by A complement or A complement. We use these two symbols, A dash or A, we write C for complement. For example, U is equals to A, B, C, D, E, F. A is equals to A, D, F. Then A complement is equals to, we have to take all elements from this U which are not in A. Okay, so the elements are B, C and E. Now properties, no elements are common in A and A complement. Okay, if B is subset of U, then B complement is also subset of U. Complement of U is empty set and complement of empty set is universal set. Okay. Now we take practice set 1.3. First example, set A equals to A, B, C, D, E. Set B is equals to C, D, E, F. C is equals to B, D. D equals to A, E. State whether the following statements are true or false. Now C is subset of B. First example. Now C elements are B and D, but this B is not in set B, so we say this statement is false. A is subset of D, means all elements of A must be in D. It is in set A, there is element B, C, D. These are not in D, so this statement is also false. D is subset of B. This statement is also false. D is subset of A. Now all elements of D are in A, therefore this statement is true. B is subset of A, C, D, E, F. F is not in A, so this statement is also false. C is subset of A. Now B and D are in A, so we say this statement is true. Okay, means we have to use definition of subset of a set. Now second example, take a universal set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 and draw Venn diagrams of set X and Y. X set is given and Y set is given. Now first we write universal set, natural number from 1 to 20. So 1, 2, 3 up to 20. Now set X, what is X given? X belongs to N and X lies between 7 to 15. So we have to take numbers 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 40. First we write these sets in listing method. Now Y belongs to N and Y is a prime number between 1 to 20. So prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. These are prime numbers. Now we have to represent this information using Venn diagram. So universal set, we draw one rectangle. Then we call X set and Y set. 11 and 13 are common, so we write in this space. Okay, and we write elements in X, elements in Y and remaining are in U. This is Venn diagram. Third question, A is equals to 1, 3, 2, 7. We have to write any 3 subset of A. We can write more than 3. B, we take it is 1, 2. 1, 2 belongs to A. Okay, so it is subset. We write C 3, 2, 7. We write D 1, 7. E equals to 3, 2. All these are subset of A. Fourth question, write the subset relation between the sets. P is set of all residents in Pune. M, set of all residents in Madhya Pradesh. I, set of all residents in Indore. B is set of all residents in India. H is a set of all residents in Maharashtra. Okay. Now we have to write the subset relation. So first we take P, set of all residents in Pune. Now residents in Pune also belongs to Maharashtra and Bharat, India. So we say P is subset of B, India, and P is also subset of Maharashtra. Then we take M, M for Madhya Pradesh is subset of India. I, Indore, is subset of Madhya Pradesh and India. H, we take now H, H is Maharashtra, it is subset of India. And set B is universal set in terms of all remaining sets, means P, M, I and H. Set B is called as universal set. Okay. So this is the definition of universal set, complement of a set and subset. Thank you.